For CCTV installers, hopping between apps to manage cameras, NVRs, and switches is a real headache. That's why we've developed the UNV Cloud Managed Switch series. We offer a range of switches, 8, 16, and 24 ports, with both 100 and 1000 megabits per second options. All our switches come with surge protection, a watchdog feature that automatically resets your IPCs when needed, 250 meters PoE transmission to minimize installation complexity, and a solid metal casing for extra durability. Most importantly, you can manage all your CCTV devices and switches with just one app. Now, let me show you how to connect the switch. We've got 2 IPCs and an NVR. Let's wire them up. One IPC connects directly to the switch, and the NVR connects to the second IPC, which in turn connects to the switch. Remember to power on both the NVR and the switch. Since it's cloud managed, ensure the switch is connected to the internet. Within your local network, you can manage this switch using the NSW software on your PC. Click to enter its web interface, or directly access the switch's IP address in a web browser. But now, let's explore the mobile app. Adding all devices is super easy. First, we need to create a project. Select your usage scenario and name the project. Then we enter the project and add devices. You can scan the switch's QR code or enter its registration code. The code can be found on the switch itself or the web interface. Once the switch is added, you'll see all the CCTV products within the same network. You can add them all with just one tap. If you've set new passwords for your IPCs, you'll need to add them manually. Okay, done. Now, let's check out the physical topology. You'll see all your CCTV devices within the network. You can click on device to view the details such as the model and IP address. Additionally, you are allowed to watch live view directly. Very handy. Please note, to watch these live views, you need to have added these IPCs in the initial steps. If you missed it, no worries, you can find and add them here. By the way, our web-based Easy Cloud platform now supports cloud switch management. It allows you to jump to the switch's web page without mapping, making remote setup a breeze. But here, you are free to set up the switch remotely on your phone, such as port isolation, extension mode. You can set extension mode for each port. The switch supports one-click cloud upgrade, so you can update directly from the cloud without importing local files. With alarms enabled, you'll get real-time alerts for various issues like port status alarms, PoE power supply alarms, port rate alarms, etc. After the setup, you can check the status here, port status, PoE power usage, and detailed information for each port. If a camera is abnormal, you can remotely restart the IPC. This eliminates the need to visit the site physically to troubleshoot issues, greatly reduces both time and costs. To sum up, the UNV Cloud Managed Switch brings smart connection and management. Designed for CCTV applications, it simplifies your projects and makes management more efficient.